Alright guys, this is just a video on my M17. This is a Valken M17 EBR, M14 EBR kit. It's a M14 kit, 3D print kit from MagFed Maker. And I got a 60 round drum here from Gotcha 3D. I've showed videos on this shooting, out of this and the VKS. Yeah, we got CQR foregrip, Fab Defense grip, Fab Defense stock. Got the EOTech 558 EO fake scopes, PEC box, and we got the full out decked out Home Defense 24 kit. 1100 psi. We got a video showing 100 joules, and with the 750 psi we hit 70 joules. The little 9 CI tank I have. And I'm gonna take this magazine out here. That's the drum. This holds 60 round balls. So this drum here, 60 round balls. You just twist that to wind it up 20, 30 good times. Once it's, just keep twisting until the spring gets tight, and that's it. You just fire, boom, boom, boom. You got about 30 good shots, and then you wind it up again. I mean, while you're shooting, you can just pretty much wind it up. So, pretty good drum. Works so far. No problems with it. And yeah, so pretty much what I wanted to show you guys was, lately on a few other of my markers, Umrex markers, anything that has a tank, HPA tank connection that goes through. But with this specific setup, we got no more cables. So this is my M17. No more cables. This is a 15 CI carbon fiber tank. This thing's good for like up to 30 shots. It's by itself. But if you notice in here, there's no more cables. So I just got some it's those parts. If you want to see how I did this and the parts and all the links to all this stuff here, go check out my newest HDB video and my newest HDR video. It'll show you where to get the parts, the links, and how to install it. But I'm not going to get too much into it. But yeah, right here we have this is a Killhouse buffer tube. It's an air through buffer tube. Let me see here. Yeah, so I'll just take it off. There's the buffer tube here. And then I got it modified to fit a special stock, the EMF 100 stock. But these still slide on perfectly, no wiggle, no jiggle. Anyways, yeah, how do I say it here? It goes, you can see underneath where it goes into the stock, my fittings. It goes into there, and then it goes straight through here, and then it even goes back a little bit up into this tube. So it's like a little slightly extra air chamber. But yeah, you can fit any stock on any mil spec stock. I just happen to have this one for my air gun collection. This is a original Fab Defense CP core stock. Yeah, so and then bang, it'll lock right in. So but yeah, that's all it is just an NPT fitting right there, guys. A 90 degree, followed by one of the extensions, the 1/8 NPT fittings, and then there's a male to male end going into the universal ASA on off for the tank on offs. And then we got that silver knob there. That's to degas the marker, so that'll purge your gun. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. The the whole point of this stock is so once you, like, it's long enough as is on the M17, the normal stock that it comes with. And then once you put your ASA on, it's just like, it's way out here. So it's just, unless you're like a great big guy, it's very uncomfortable for many people, including myself. So this just makes it so you have a nice short stock. You don't have that big long distance, and it's just awkward trying to hold and run around a house with. But now it's perfect. Yeah, I can also, for my 60 round drums, I got 2 of them that'll work with this, but I can also put a tank. I have a manifold made. Actually, it's on another marker right now. It's on my VKS, but I'm going to show that after. I can have another tank coming out here and then going straight down the side there. Just like this one on the opposite side. So that'll give me enough. I'm going to do that build. I'll show that after, but I got parts coming in the mail. So once I get all those, instead of ripping apart my other one, just to take the parts again, and I'll wait till I get everything and then I'll re-show it. But yeah, guys, so right now this setup, this is about an 800. I believe this is an 800 PSI, so this would be around 75 joules, this setup as is. My 75, it could be give or take, because my 750 PSI tank hits 70 joules, so I'm assuming the extra 50, you might get a few extra joules out of it. But anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it for this build. It's just a 3D printed kit, and we just got a modified buffer tube, so you can put any buffer tube you want, any stock that fits on a buffer tube. So any of your air gun collections, all those will fit on. Airsoft stocks will fit on, as long as they're the mil spec, pretty much. Yeah, that's pretty much it there. Pretty much covered everything. I'm sure you've seen the dual tank setup for my HDB. That has 30 rounds, so this has 60 for this drum, so I'm definitely going to get a double tank one made up. And then for the VKS, I got it built right here. It's right beside me, but I'm going to save that for a different video. That's all double tanked up. It's got no stock on it, so it's really short and really compact and ready to go.